Hey, what's a Polygon holder? So this is the latest update of Polygon, and what's the big mistake of Polygon holder absolutely doing at those days. So I tell you about this mistake, to what or how is it you save from this mistake, and how is it you save from more loss. Okay, my friends, this time the Polygon is completely and the positive from last 7 days, from 1 day, from 1 hour. Absolutely all change occur is in positive. So first of all, congratulations everyone. Today are starting moving upward definitely from last 7 days, especially in the start of this month. Absolutely they're moving upward like a rocket, and the market rank is this time 32. My friend, they hit just in only just in a few days. I hope this time and it's near, my friend. Today hit, they are count in the top 10. Absolutely, my friends, they're gone hit. Absolutely, this time you can see the price is 1.01 USD dollar, and the BTC price is 0.00018 U. So absolutely, my friend, the price is also increased now very fastly. So this time the circulation is 6 billion, and max circulation is 10 billion, billion, my friend, 10 trillion, my friend. Absolutely. So distribution, you can see here 60.39% moving upward. Exactly, my friend, this is be will be going upward. Okay, if we check out the chart, then exactly, my friend, you can see here this time, especially the short time investor, my friend, are doing one big mistake. So I tell you, but first of all, you can see here this time the prediction is absolutely very important. You can see here they completely moving upward. So definitely after a very bad fall, my friend, they're moving upward. So the good time is coming soon, and they're continually moving slowly, but definitely upward, my friend, in upcoming time. So in the last 24 hours, if you can see here, this change occurred as 24.82% just in only, my friend. In the last 24-hour change occurred now. So Polygon is completely go in the moon, my friend, and the price this time highest change occurred as 1.03 USD dollar, but the current price is, my friend, you can see here May 9 2021 for a 52, my friend, this time. And now the price is 0.842578 US dollars. So the price is absolutely going to be very fastly moving upward. All right, especially the short time investor, my friends, they're starting doing one big mistake, and the mistake is that, my friend, today starting investing, especially they're starting investing at the end of this month, and they are starting selling absolutely very bad time. Absolutely, my friend, if you starting selling in this time, then exactly you are doing very big mistake. Tell me why. Because if you are selling this time, then absolutely, my friend, this is not a good profit time, because the price is very cheap. They cannot give you a good profit. So if you want to make a good money, make a good profit, then absolutely wait for end of this month. I hope that at the end of this month they give you very good profit, and they make you millionaire. So hope you understand. Kindly don't do this mistake. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for this type more informative videos.